Good morning, everyone. Today I'm making a bento for my daughter and my wife. First, I'm gonna cook rice 1 cup, which is enough for 2. First, I'm going to make ramen eggs, which is Ajitsuke Tamago. I'm going to steam these eggs, and I'm going to put them into light color condensed dashi, what we call it Shirodashi. I steam the eggs for 8 minutes to make soft boiled eggs. I'm going to put them into iced water. Now it's cold enough, so I'm going to peel the shell of eggs and put them into dashi. This condensed dashi is very salty, so putting them for maybe 20-30 minutes will add enough saltiness to the eggs. If you're gonna put them overnight, I think it will become very salty, so you should add some water. Now I'm going to cook a ketchup chicken. I'm going to use thigh for this and take out any excess fat and bones and cut them into small pieces. Put some salt, which is shio, both sides, and add some black pepper, which is kuro kosho. For garnish, I'm gonna add paprika. I tried to put 3 colors into bento to make it colorful. Usually I put red and yellow and green. Red is always difficult one because it's difficult to find something red for bento. If I put like tomato, that would solve the problem. But my oldest daughter, she doesn't like tomato. So I always have a hard time finding a red one. Now take out any moisture from chicken. I'm gonna coat them with the potato starch, which is katakuriko. Coating them with the katakuriko will make the chicken very crispy and also very juicy. Before stir frying the chicken, I'm gonna first stir fry the paprika. And add the onion and add the chicken. Now skin of chicken is very crispy. Now I'm going to add rice wine, which is nihonshu or sake. This is chicken stock, which is additive free. And ketchup, tomato ketchup. And stir fry a little bit. And I add light color soy sauce, which is uskuchi shoyu. I could use dark soy sauce, but I don't want to put too much dark color, so I use the light color one. This is home mirin, which is sweet rice wine. I'm adding home mirin here because I want to make a teri, which is shiny. I want to make the dish shiny. When you add home mirin into the dish like this, it will make them very shiny. And also, home mirin has a lot of umami to it. And this is done. Next, I'm going to make the stir-fried spinach with the bacon. This is spinach, horenzo. Add them into salted boiled water. I'm going to boil them for like 30 seconds or so. I'm going to add them into iced cold water to stop further cooking, and put them into paper towel to take out the water. This is a bacon, sangen pork from Yamagata Prefecture. First, stir fry the bacon, and it has a lot of fat content, so I'm going to use a kitchen paper to take out any excess fat. This is curry spices without cayenne pepper, so just curry powder. Add some salt, which is shio, and honey. And add spinach. Finally, I add some light color condensed dashi, which is Shirodashi, to add some umami and saltiness, and this is done. This is the ramen eggs that I soaked in dashi. I ended up soaking for like 45 minutes. And when you cut the soft boiled egg, if you move the knife right and left, that will make easy to cut in half. Now rice is ready. Mix a little bit, nice and fluffy. Rice is still hot, so I'm going to put them aside a little bit until they cool down. Now ready to put everything into a bento box. Okay, this is done. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Ketchup chicken is something that I think you can make them. And if you have soy sauce, you add it. If you don't, I think only ketchup will do the job. So I hope you give a try. And I will try to put more videos, so please stay tuned, okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.